to get a better version of Always On Display on your Pixel 10, first of all you will need to download a specific app from your Google Play Store, as Always On Display for the Pixel devices is a bit limited. I'm gonna download the Movies Edge app. So open Google Play Store and find Movies Edge. It's this app right here. I already have it, and we can open it. Next step is to grant any permissions that will show up on the screen for that app. So follow my steps and just allow everything right here. So now that we have it, we can go to the AOD and select one of the AOD profiles that you can see right here. Keep in mind that the ones with the star will require you to make a payment. So I'm gonna go for a free version, this one for example. Then we can click on apply and our AOD will be already applied. Now if we lock our device, it should show up as AOD. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.